back to my channel, Juliette Joie de Vivre. So in today's video, we are talking all things CB2. I hope you guys love CB2 because literally, I could seriously furnish my whole home from CB2, although I try not to because I like to make it a little bit more unique, but I love CB2. Like some people like go hard for restoration hardware, like that's their thing. For me, it's CB2, like everything they do just speaks to me. It's just my vibe and I just completely love it. So I hope you love CB2 as much as I do because I've got an amazing haul for you today. This is going to be a two-part series. The first part of this video is going to be about the larger furniture pieces and a few decor items from CB2, and then the second half is more of the little finds and little goodies like that, like that globe and other little decor that I have around my house from CB2. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's go. Seeing how we are already in my home office, might as well just start with my CB2 finds in here. Look, you guys do look out for my home office reveal. This is where I'm working with so far and I'm liking where it's going, but I still have to add a few more details, so that will be coming your way soon, like I've been saying in my previous video, but it's coming. Okay, but let's get into it. So my desk is from CB2, and you guys, I will show you, we need to get a little bit closer to the details here. This desk is absolutely exquisite. It comes in a Burl wood, so it has this vintage vibe to it. It gives me this like 1970s kind of, you know, design to it, especially with how the curves and all the round edges as well. Really gives me that, it feels like it's from the 70s. It feels vintage, but it's not. It's from CB2. So yes, this is the desk I've decided to go with in my office. I love how it works in with the minimalism vibe I'm going for the home decor in my home. I'm going for a little bit more minimalistic, so I really like the clean lines and how minimalistic it looks. The aesthetic is just beautiful. So I paired it with a chair from Nouveau Living. Of course, CB2 has the most amazing, you know, desk chairs to go with their desk. But I wanted to change it up so like everything in my house isn't completely CB2, just so I can personalize it a little bit more like that, so it's not like straight from a catalog. But they have some amazing chairs that will go with this desk that I can link as well. We are now in my dining room, and everything, apart from the lighting, but all the major furniture so far is from CB2. I am planning to add a floor mirror back there on that wall and maybe a condenser in that corner, but as of right now, this is what we're working with, and it's from CB2. So I love this black marble table. It is beautiful. You'll see the details later as I zoom in here, but it is black with white and gold flecks in the marble. So it is just glam, it is just beautiful, it is literally exquisite. It probably is I think it's definitely my favorite CB2 item I own. Once I saw it on the website, I was like, it's over. It is a bit on the pricier side, but I knew I wanted to make the investment with this piece because I wanted to own it for a lifetime. It's marble, so I know it will last that time. I mean, it comes from the earth, you know, so it's gonna last a long time, so it'll be worth every penny eventually. And I want this piece to even pass down, you know, it could probably pass down to my daughter, and it'll be vintage, and I feel like it'll just get better and age with time, because marble is just that, you know, type of material that'll just get better with age. So I just had to go in on it. I do not regret it. It is a stunning, stunning piece. So I paired the black marble dining table with these Nadia chairs, Nadia cane chairs, I think they're called in CB2. So yes, they're from CB2 as well. They come in black and white, but I went with the black to go with the black marble table. And it comes in the black boucle, so the chair, the seat part is a boucle, that boucle material that we're all loving. I'm loving boucle so much, as you see in my next CB2 item, because boucle is my gem. I just love the texture. But anyway, so these Nadia chairs come in black, and it has the natural rattan backing to it. So I kind of like how it makes it a little bit more laid back, because it is kind of glam. Like this area is glam. So I feel like adding the natural rattan to it kind of makes it a little bit more relaxed. It kind of takes it, gives another edge to it, so it's not super glam. It kind of makes it like glam with a bit of natural. So I really really like that vibe. Okay, now, so we just flipped over to my former living room that's directly just across from my dining room. So here I am sitting on the chair itself, the Gwyneth that everyone loves. I think it's the most loved item on CB2 because I just see everyone with it, and I don't hate it because you gotta give it too. She is so beautiful. These chairs are so beautiful. They're so comfortable. They're so soft. They're so chic, but yet they're such a vibe. Like, they're so cool. They're the it chair, and like, I get it because like, they just look so unique. Like, I've never seen a chair like it with the Boucle too. It just takes it to another level of just, it's a must have. You gotta get it. So yeah, I have 2 of them and they swivel. Let's do this. So yes, they swivel. And they're fun. So he definitely loves swiveling and playing around on these chairs. I like definitely spin her a time or 2, and it's really fun for a toddler as well. But yeah, and speaking of toddler, it is in a lighter fabric, and Soleil, you know, is a toddler, so they're all over everything. And if there's a little spot on it, I just get a little wet cloth, just with a little bit of soap, just rubs it and it comes out. So the upkeep with this chair is very doable. Like, I haven't had any issues with it at all so far. But yeah, so it's so soft, the fabric is soft, and it's really comfortable. It's really roomy, but with the curves, it feels like you're kind of getting a little hug. Although it's roomy and you do feel like you have room to it, but it's very comforting. It's, yeah, like a comfortable hug couch. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. And I love how it complements this room so much. Working with the curves off my living room couch, it completes the whole room. I just completely gave it that minimal vibe, minimal, neutral home vibe that I wanted to execute with this room. So it completes this room and takes it to another level with its own chicness. You will not regret buying the Gwyneth chairs, you guys. They are so good. I feel like they'll work everywhere. Like, clearly in the living room, it's great. I've seen them in offices, like in a little office nook. It works well, it's so good there. I've seen it in a bedroom, in a little cozy corner with a little stool, and you just can read a book there. So this will work literally in every space. Maybe not a dining room, a little bit too comfortable, but you can definitely use it in your living room, family room, media room, office, you know, so it's definitely a chair that will be a bang for your buck. Okay, so we're now in my bedroom, and I'm gonna show you some CB2 amazing finds that I have up here in my bedroom. So the first item I have up is the slip-covered sofa that's behind me from the Caraman CB2 collab. I think she's done like 2 different collabs, like different lines with CB2 now, but the first one she came out with, I completely loved the vibe. It was very art deco, very edgy, very black and white. Same with her second line she has with them, but that first one, oh, I completely wanted everything. And I happened to get 2 items from that line. So I got this poof that you can't see yet, maybe you can see the little top of it, but there's a poof that she designed as well as the couch. And I just love how feminine it is, but yet modern. Like, she took a slip-covered, like super romantic sofa and made it modern, like modernized it and just made it so beautiful, I think. Anyways, I completely love it. It works so well in my bedroom. Going for a neutral, as you can see, I'm doing a very neutral black and white theme. And Caraman, as you can see on CB2, a lot of her designs are very contrast black and white. And I'm here for it. I'm completely there for it and love it all. So let's have a closer look at the sofa and the poof from the Caraman CB2 collab.